Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Diogon Najofo and today I will be showing you guys how to make this braided headband. We'll need the fabric, stuffing from an old teddy bear, measuring tape, scissors, thread and chalk. Guys, please, in case you notice the hand is different, like the dark hand, yes, please ignore. That's my sister's hand. I got home and I noticed she was trying to make the braided headband, and I said, why not film this video? Someone will learn how to make it. Yeah, someone will learn how to make it from my channel. So we measured 4-inch wide and 36-inch long. We need 3 pieces of that. You can use any fabric of your choice. You can use that to achieve this braided headband. We also need 5-inch wide, 5-inch long fabric. You'll see how we used this at the end of the video, so stay tuned. Guys, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Like my videos, share my videos. Thank you so much. So fold the 4-inch wide, 36-inch long fabric, fold it into 2 and sew. As you can see, we are using a needle to sew this down. After sewing it down, turn the fabric inside out. You can see the process. So this is the look. We couldn't iron it because there was no light. Now fill it in with the stuffing from the old teddy bear. You continue till you fill the 3 pieces. So guys, we've gone ahead to weave the fabric together. It was done off camera, but it's the same process of weaving her. Now we are trying to stitch both ends together. As you can see, that end was held with a needle. You remember the 5-inch wide, 5-inch long fabric? That is it here. We're trying to use it to cover the end that was stitched so that it will be neat. Guys, please subscribe to my channel, like my videos, turn on the post notification icon so that you'll be notified once I post new videos. So she's trying to secure it well. After sewing it, we have to turn the pieces, turn it so that it won't be obvious. You can see what she did there. And the braided headband is ready. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on the post notification icon so that you'll be instantly notified when I post a new video. Like my videos, share my videos. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.